Hey, what's going on guys, Pixelaykov here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this amazing video loop effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. But before that, I would like to show you something. As you can see, 99% of the viewers are not subscribers. And I would like to ask you for a favor. Next time, if it happens to watch any of my videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free and it's not gonna cost you anything. Plus, that will give me extra motivation to continue creating that kind of videos. And with that being said, let's go straight to Premiere Pro. Okay, inside Premiere Pro, I've got this video, and the first thing I will do is to drag the cursor a few frames forward, press M, and create a marker. So I'll have this lady exactly in that position. Then by holding Alt and the left button of the mouse, I'll create a duplicate of this video. And also I'm gonna drag it 2 seconds forward. At the same time, I'll move the cursor a few frames forwards until I find the perfect position for the girl in the second video. Then while the duplicated video is selected, I'll move up to the effect control panel, go down to opacity and create a rectangle mask, which I'll drag over the girl and readjust it so I can cover the whole body and the space around her. And now when I'm happy with the mask size, I'll go to the mask feather and increase it to around 245. And by doing this, I'm gonna remove the rough lines around the mask and blend the second video with the first one. Then I'll move the cursor to the beginning of the second video, go up to mask opacity, click onto the stopwatch so we can create a keyframe, and decrease the opacity to 0%. Then I'll move the cursor a few frames forward until I see the girl in that position, and create our second keyframe, which is going to be 100%. And then again, I'll move the cursor a few frames backwards and create our last keyframe, which is gonna be 0%. Then again, I'll move the cursor to the beginning of the second video, go up to mask, select it, and create a keyframe on the mask path. Then I'll move around 35 to 40 keyframes forward by holding Shift and the right arrow of the keyboard, and I will track manually the girl in the second video. And now when I'm done with the manual mask tracking, when I play the video from the beginning, I can see that the girl is a little bit transparent at the beginning. So to fix that, I'll go back a few frames forward, select the second video, go back to the mask path and readjust the position. And when I play it again, the girl it's not transparent anymore. But let's say that you want to create a longer loop video effect. So to do this, you can select both videos, hold Alt and the left button on the mouse, duplicate them and place the duplicated videos at the end of the first one. Then you can do the same thing as many times as you like until you get satisfied with the video length. Then to make this loop video effect even smoother, I'll go to Effects and type down Cross Dissolve effect. Then I'll grab it and I will apply it to every single cut in this sequence. And now when I show you the last step, the only thing left to be done is to see the final result. So let's see it. And that's all for this tutorial guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.